Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Eto, nakakuha na ako ng kopya nitong Wellness Leave Policy. Ito po ay laman ng Memorandum Circular Number 1, Series of 2026. Basahin po natin. Pursuant to CEC Resolution Number 2501292 promulgated on November 13, 2025. The CEC adopts the Wellness Leave Policy as follows. Number 1, scope and coverage. This policy shall apply to all government officials and employees, whether permanent, temporary, substitute, coterminous, fixed term, contractual, or casual, in all government agencies and instrumentalities, namely constitutional bodies, departments, bureaus, and agencies in the national government, government-owned or controlled corporations with original charters, local government units, and state universities and colleges. So, ibig sabihin nito mga ka-Jesnabs ay kasama po tayong mga nasa DepEd at mga teachers. So, ito, letter B. Ituloy po natin ang pagbabasa, no? Letter B, government agencies and instrumentalities that already grant leave benefits with similar purpose or scope to wellness leave, such as those intended to promote employee well-being and mental health, provided they are consistent with applicable laws, rules, and regulations, may choose to either maintain such leave benefit or replace them with another in accordance with this policy. The entitlement of contract of service and job order workers to wellness leave shall be subject to the provisions of the individual contracts and the relevant issuance covering their engagement. Authorization to grant wellness leave. The CEC hereby authorizes agencies to grant wellness leave to applicable government officials and employees, subject to the agency's discretion up to a maximum of 5 days. The wellness leave shall be separate and exclusive from the 15 days vacation leave, 15 days sick leave, and 3 days special leave available from the date of assumption of duty. Number 3, guidelines for availing of wellness leave. In availing the wellness leave, the following guidelines shall be observed. A. Wellness leave may be taken either consecutive for a maximum of 3 days at a time or on separate non-consecutive days. The wellness leave may be availed of for purposes including but not limited to mental health care, physical wellness activities, or general break from work. Letter C. The application for wellness leave shall be recommended by the immediate supervisor and submitted to the head of office for approval. This shall be filed in the manner as filing for vacation leave, sick leave, and other leave privileges, following the procedures adopted by the respective government agency and or instrumentality. Letter D. To promote a safe space in officials and employees' availment of the wellness leave due to mental health reasons, any information related to the applicant's mental health condition shall be bound by the rules of confidentiality and in compliance with the Data Privacy Act of 2012. The application for wellness leave policy shall be filed at least 5 days before its availment, except in emergency cases, wherein it must be filed immediately upon the officials or employees' return from such leave. So sa ating mga teachers, ano lang naman talaga yung sa ating sick leave lang, At saka kung wala tayong leave credits ay absent tayo doon. Kaya good for us na meron nga nitong wellness leave policy. Kasi kung wala tayong na-accumulate na leave credits ay absent tayo sa trabaho, ano? So, thank you po dito. The wellness leave shall be non-cumulative, non-commutable to its monetary equivalent, unforfeited if not availed within the calendar year. So, yan. So, dapat talagang gamitin natin yan, mga ka-Jesnabs. Ito, kailan bang effectivity? So, CEC Resolution number 2501292 shall take effect after 15 days from publication of the official gazette or in the newspaper of general circulation. Sabi dito ay mag-take effect na ito ngayong January 1, 2026 at saka pirmado na po ito. Hindi ko na lang po ipapakita. Yan. So mga ka-Jesnabs, pwede nyo na pong gamitin yung 5 days na wellness leave natin. Thank you po sa ganitong policy. Mga ka-Jesnabs, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.